I can deal with that. Stop it, officer.
December 15th, 2024. Cops rushed to Fort Lauderdale Airport after a Spirit Airlines employee reported a disruptive passenger. Someone mistook the ticket counter for a stage.
Sweetheart, come here, let me talk to you.
Who's going to pay for me to stand
Come here, let me talk to you. I want to talk to you.
And she's not going to assist me in traveling. Who's going to assist me in traveling after?
First, what's going on? What happened?
I want to know what's going on. I had a flight for Raleigh Airport.
Just say we're on the 22. 41.
I got a Raleigh Airport ticket to Raleigh Airport to Connecticut.
Yeah.
Well, for Miami to Raleigh Airport for 10-something today, the 15th. I'm willing to travel that flight. Yeah, I've been drinking a little bit, but I still want to travel home.
Yeah.
I want to make it home.
Okay.
So what do I have to do while I travel, making me a flight?
All right, but you got to understand, your delivery right now is kind of rough.
But it's not rough. I've been asking her nicely.
Listen.
Even before I spoke to her, I spoke to another person.
You're not letting me talk to you.
I am.
I understand that. Remember, end of the day, it's spirit.
Yeah, it
Spirit
is.
allows if they want you to fly or not. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understand.
So, like I'm trying to say to you, I don't know what their policy is, but you got to follow that. But when you've been drinking enough, you're a little toasty, you are.
1, 2 drinks.
3 drinks, you're putting out of your finger right there.
But I'm not, but I'm not overreacting. I'm not being mean to her.
Listen.
But have I been mean to you?
Listen.
I've been very polite to you.
You're not listening to me.
I just want a flight.
You listen to me.
I understand what you're saying.
This is what we're going to do.
Yes.
You're going to talk to her, and what their decision is their final decision, okay?
Okay.
So
let me ask you a question.
Yeah,
Before the final decision, because I ain't stupid.
Yeah.
Her final decision, is she going to give me a hotel room?
Listen, that's their choice. I can't tell you that.
After admitting she'd been drinking, Candace still insisted on flying, then demanded a free hotel from Spirit because apparently, bad decisions now come with room service.
I can afford to spend money on Spirit and they're not going to give me a hotel room.
The thing is, they can always refund you back your money.
They can do that too, but I also would want them to fund me a hotel room.
If they refund you back your money, that's the thing. So what's their final decision?
Give me a hotel room to let me calm down.
You're not talking.
For tonight? So you would do that for me not to, I'm not fit to travel.
Make sure that you're okay tonight. Take your time to get yourself ready for your next flight.
I can deal with that.
All right.
I can deal with that.
But
I can deal with that.
Listen, what's your name?
Candace Lorraine Calise. Come on now. I'm not that stupid.
Candace.
But I just want to make sure she's willing to give me that and not give me nothing. Then I'll be spending a hotel room with nothing. I got to spend more money out of my pocket. You understand what I'm saying?
I get it.
Because even if she don't give me that hotel room, no, but listen.
If she get a hotel room, yes or no? You're not getting a hotel room.
So what the I'm sitting here for?
All right then. So she's just getting a flight for tomorrow, right?
We have a flight that's going on.
But why can't I get a hotel room if I'm a little under the influence?
Are you guys done?
But I'm just saying, if I'm under the influence.
Are you done with it?
But if I'm under the influence.
What you want to do, Candace, is your choice.
But if I'm under the influence, when you should be willing to give me a hotel room?
They're not going to give you a hotel room, Candace.
So what happens to sit on the street?
You can stay in the airport and chill for
people laying over here on the seats all the time.
Yeah.
Y'all can't be kidding me,
Candace, no thirsty.
Me spending my money on a hotel room to be spending the night on a hotel floor.
Candace, no thirsty.
Give me a hotel room. Why you can't give me a hotel room? I am taking responsibility. But you're gonna leave me in the hotel room under the influence that I'm a little saucy? I mean, being honest.
I'm getting you home on the next available flight, but I cannot give you a hotel room.
If you're giving me responsibility to be going home on tomorrow, why would you leave me in a hotel being?
Remember, we have your flights here ready for you just because you're not fit to travel. So it's not like your flight.
So if I'm not fit to travel, wouldn't you be nice enough to give me a hotel room? Why?
Candace, you're not getting a hotel room.
But I'm just saying, why wouldn't you give me a hotel room if I'm not fit to travel? Stop it. Stop it, officer. Why wouldn't I be ever... If you know that I'm not eligible to fly.
Candace.
But I'm being honest with you. If it was you, I would be kind enough to give you a hotel room for you to spend a night so you can relax.
All right, come on, Candace.
All right, whatever. I just don't understand how I spend my $200 and something, but I'm just saying, if I spend my $200 and something,
And I agree,
but I'm just saying, if it was you,
I agree.
and you spend your $200 and something, they're not giving, mind your business. If I'm not giving you $200,
I don't know.
if I'm not
You're the
giving,
king, though. That's why.
but if I'm not
Why you don't
giving
like this guy?
I'm not saying I don't like him.
He's a good guy. You hate him.
No, I don't say I don't like you, but I'm just saying, if I was giving you $200 to deal with Spirit,
I agree.
that's not even that
Come on,
experience.
Let's go sit
To
down.
let you travel,
Yeah.
why wouldn't they give you that
I
experience?
agree.
I'm being honest.
I get what
Like really, literally.
I get what you're saying, Candace.
No,
But
you're
the
not
thing-
getting what I'm saying. You kicking me out the airport.
I'm not kicking you out, but I'm
You
just saying,
are.
I'm trying to make you sit down. Where you say that?
If I'm up like this and I'm
That's why I want you to sit down.
why wouldn't you give me a hotel room so I could chill out for the night?
Come sit down. Sit down and
Oh my
relax.
God.
Candace came back to the ticket counter like a sequel no one asked for. Louder, angrier, still demanding a hotel room and compensation for her own chaos.
Let's go.
Officer.
Is either you're gonna get the ticket or let's go.
Officers, you either gonna give me a room for tonight because you know that I'm sober and I can't function right. Be honest with yourself.
Nope.
Or you gonna give me another room.
They can't help you. It's either they go.
No.
You know any
I
airport
know
goes
I
by.
don't know the airport
Hey,
nearby.
watch your mouth.
Because you put me on the spot.
That's what I'm trying to help you.
You're not trying to help me when you know
We're
there's no
done.
airport
Come on,
on the spot.
We're done. Come on.
Like
trying
you
to-
know.
We're done.
Done.
Come on.
Can I get my ticket? Can I get my money back?
You want your refund?
Yes.
She want a refund. When you want a refund, you're done with Spirit then.
Then I'd rather be done with Spirit then
All
because
right, let her get a
at the end of the day, she's
refund.
not giving me a refund or give me.
She's gonna give you a refund.
You gonna give me another flight?
I tried to put on standby.
And you think that shit is okay for being here for 2 days in the airport?
You wanna go? Listen.
No, I mean, being honest as a police
Now
officer.
listen to me. You're gonna calm down, or are you gonna be somewhere else?
But being as a
Calm down. I'm not joking.
well, literally being honest
Calm down.
as a police officer, being in the airport for 2 days.
You're getting a refund. That's it. You're done.
No,
You're
but
done with
literally,
Spirit.
but being in the airport for
You're
2
done with
days.
Spirit. We try to help you. You're
No,
getting a
you
refund.
better not help me being here for 2 days in the airport.
Let's go. You're getting a refund.
Like literally being here for 2 days in the airport.
So you're getting your.
You're no help to me.
You're getting a refund.
I'll take my refund and go about it. I will take my refund and go about my business.
Nah, we're
I'm
done.
being
Let's
honest.
get a refund.
Because for him to be an officer, he's not helping me out. For sleeping in the airport for 2 days for
Hey, one more.
I'm done. Let me get my refund.
After getting her refund, Candace accused the cops of not helping and claimed she'd been stuck in the airport for 2 days. Newsflash, she wasn't waiting for a flight, she was auditioning for a Meltdown.
Yeah, let me get my refund. I'll take my refund. Because he's not helping me out. I thought you was helping me out.
I was.
How? You letting me sleep in the airport for 2 days?
You're getting a refund. You're done.
How? You helping me out? You making me sleep in the airport for 2 days? You sober up for 2 days? That's not sober enough for 2 days. I only need 24 hours to sober up. How can I get arrested for helping me out, for helping me for 2 days?
Hey, no more. Just refund and if
Come
she
on,
out.
man. That's ridiculous. That's a lawsuit right there. If he gonna lock me up for being sober for 2 days, that's a lawsuit. Let's go with it. I'm willing to go with it. Hello? Hello? How can he take me to jail and ask him for help? He's not willing to help me. He's trying to make me spend a night in the
After you give her a
for 2
refund,
days.
she's done.
Man, I'm done. Bye. I'll be done. 'Cause I'm not giving a f about That's why you have me sleep in the airport.
And 2 hours before.
You in here.
Yes, sir, go ahead. Can you be to India 4094 on that plane?
You were not trying to help me making me spend the night in the airport for 2 days.
I'm done talking to you.
Why would you make me stop? You done talking to me, you making me spend the night.
She just get a credit? You don't need it? All right, we're done. You're getting the credit. Let's go.
What I'm getting? But let me see. I need to see.
You got the paperwork to give it to her?
Yes, thank you. I need the paperwork.
All right, you're
No, I need the paperwork. I need the number.
Give her a confirmation number.
Thank you. You're not about to leave me out in the open. No, la dejar.
Give her a confirmation number printed out, and she's done.
Because she's not going to leave me for 2 days for nothing. And you still trying to make me wait for 2 days.
All right, guys.
After one too many tantrums, Candace finally got her wish, a full escort out of the terminal. She screamed about being dragged and mistreated, but honestly, it looked more like karma doing its job.
Ma'am, you gotta go.
I'm not giving nobody a hard time.
You're done. Let's go.
Why are you being so hard on me?
Come on, let's go. It's either that or you're gonna go to jail.
Come on.
It's either that or you're gonna go to jail.
Why are you trying to sit with the jail when I'm trying to get a flight out of the house?
We're done. You gotta leave this airport.
Why do I have to leave the airport when I'm telling you I'm trying to get a flight?
It's either this or you're gonna go to jail.
Why are you doing this to me when I tell you I was trying to get a flight though?
I'm gonna tell you again. Let's
But
go.
I'm being honest.
Ma'am, you're
I'm willing to go.
Let's go.
No,
Come on.
let's get it on record before I walk out of the airport because I'm recording everything.
All right.
Now, why am I leaving the airport when I told you?
Let's go outside.
No, when I told you
All right, this is the last
that I was leaving the airport.
You're done. You're going to jail.
I was telling you I was leaving the airport. But I told you I was leaving the airport. Why am I? Why am I done? If I told you I was leaving the airport. And you still put a handcuffs on me for no reason. Come on.
Family room, 3
You're really taking me out of the airport for no reason. Why you literally? When I asked you for no reason.
Conference B in the family room. Martha's advising small gray backpack, unloaded backpack long.
You see how they treated me, right?
Let's go.
All right. I just want y'all to know. I just want y'all to know. Stop dragging me like that. Officer.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
All right, but I'm sourcing. I'm telling you that. I'm telling you for a lawyer. Stop dragging me like that.
Stand by, Bill. 41, 1033. Get in, 315. Go ahead. Copy of 16 at the rental car center. Stop.
Candace wrapped up her airport tour with 2 souvenirs: disorderly intoxication and trespassing. Spirit didn't upgrade her seat, the cops did. Some people board flights, others board delusion. Candace chose the latter. Stay tuned because the next meltdown might just make this one look economy class.